How to transfer money to another bank on Wells Fargo. Welcome back to Techmates, and let's get right into the tutorial. To transfer your money to another bank, it is pretty simple. You can open up your Wells Fargo application, make sure it is up to date and you are logged in into your account. In order to log in, you can enter a username and your password and select on Sign On. Once you are logged in into your account, you should find interface like this. In the recent actions, you can find the option of transfer money. You can click on the option transfer money. If your application is outdated, that is not updated, you may find different feature. In that case, in your right hand corner, you should locate the three horizontal line. From there, easily select on transfer and money. Select on the option of transfer money in the case of transferring it into another account, or you can even select the option of send via Zelle if the another bank and the Wells Fargo supports Zelle. In that case, all you have to do is add the recipient detail. Either select by email or mobile number or account. You can enter the recipient name, the bank details, and the bank branch. Once you have entered it, make sure to review the details. If it's all correct, just select on the option of send. By this way, you'll be able to transfer your money to another account. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.